Hi, everyone. I'm Rytis Kevalaitis, CEO of Energy Unlimited, and I'm the jury lead of Renewable Energy Technologies. Together with Andris, Carlis, Valentas, and Ania, we having the pleasure and honor to select the best renewable energy technology initiative in this year Baltic Sustainability Awards. And without further introduction and ado, I would like to introduce the first finalist to make their pitch, which is a PVcase, a software company which provides an AutoCAD plugin that automates the design of utility-scale solar projects. So I invite Paulus to the stage.
Hello, everyone. My name is Paulus. I'm head of strategic initiatives for PVcase, and today we're gonna go through a quick overview. So PVcase mission is to fight climate change through software, and we do this by providing software suite of products to design, analyze, and optimize solar assets globally. As an example, if you're a PVcase customer, let's say you're a solar developer based in the United States, and you would like to come up with a new idea for a new project, you would be able to identify the most suitable connectivity points to the electricity grid, find the best land to build your solar site, and then design, maximizing the return on that investment that you're putting forward, which in the US usually is somewhere between 20 and 100 million USD. In terms of market and where we are right now, solar market is really heating up and is projected to quadruple in terms of new installations globally between 2022 and 2029. And that's causing a lot of issues for the existing players in the market. First of all, a lot of processes that exist right now are slow, are manual, are prone to manual error. The designs that are being created, they're not fit for construction, and there's a lot of manual rework. And it is not possible to use the same platform to go from the idea all the way to the construction. So you need to use 3-4 different pieces of software, which is leading to data loss and other risks as well. Large scale developers are building projects in different ways in different offices and regions, which again, for large customers is creating a lot of headache. And the sector is flawed in terms of customer service and the level of it. So PVcase way, the way we help our customers is by reducing the design time up to 30 times compared to doing it manually. We do drive design standards across all the different regional offices for our customers. We do provide best-in-class customer service with average response time less than 5 minutes, and we are well positioned to meet other software needs for the customer base. In terms of traction, we've gone from 10 customers to more than 1,400 in 5.5 years, and we count the largest solar developers, engineering, construction companies, as well as utilities and engineer consulting firms amongst our customers across Europe, US, and globally. In terms of growth, we have more than doubled our annual recurring revenue in the last year, including organic and inorganic growth. We have more than 250 employees globally. However, at the core of the business, we maintain sustainable outlook, and we have been cash flow positive for the last couple of years, and our users have designed solar parks that are capable of producing more than 2.2 terawatts of electricity in 2023 alone. What's next? We have started with PVcase ground mount. We launched that in 2018. We have acquired one of the leading companies in the US market called Anderson Optimization earlier this year. And we have just launched our roof mount product, which will help our customers put designs on commercial and industrial buildings So think IKEAs and Walmarts of the world. And in 2024, we're launching PVcase yield product, which will allow our customers to forecast energy needs even better. That's it. That's PVcase. We help build more solar quicker.
Thank you very much for the impressive presentation. And I have, before letting you off the stage,
Sure.
I have the question. PVcase seems to be one of the companies founded in the Baltics, as software companies in the energy sector, growing towards, let's say, global market. And we can say that company with an office in Vilnius has a footprint for, let's say, PV plant in California, Germany, Italy, Spain, or other countries. Then the question is, what's next in terms of your growth? Let's say you're already working with the largest energy companies. So do you plan to launch new products, to acquire new business verticals? What's your vision on that?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the priority areas is to expand geographically to cover more developing markets as well. We're really big in the US and Western Europe. So we have a lot of work to do like outside of those markets. And then in terms of additional industries, additional verticals that we're looking into, the closest one right now that we're looking into is battery storage and different software solutions there, because we're seeing increased demand for hybrid projects that co-host, let's say, both solar and storage assets in one location.
Okay, great. So yeah,
thanks a lot.
Thank you very much for the pitch. Thank you. Our next finalist, who will do the pitch in just a few seconds, is a Skanstes Business Center from Latvia. And this project implements geothermal energy piles in the construction of the Elemental Business Center, providing energy-efficient heating and cooling solutions. So I invite Line to the stage for her pitch. Where is yours?
Hi, so I'll start with this. I wasn't supposed to be here, but my more sophisticated and smarter colleague got sick, so here I am. Please don't be too critical. But I will try to tell you about energy piles. We have just finished, in our opinion, the most sustainable office building in Riga. And we still have some space if anybody wants to join. And this is part of the proof that we are the most sustainable. First of all, we are pioneers in sustainability. We are on track to be the first building to receive BREEAM Outstanding New Construction Certificate. Second of all, we can do energy savings of at least 70% thanks to energy piles, of which more I will talk about later. And third of all, we have also implemented various design functions so that this is a place where people feel good at their workspace. And it is developed by one of the biggest real estate companies, Capital, in the Baltics, with more than 25 years of experience. So, energy piles. We have the building actually is holding on to, in total, 450 piles. And 240 of them are these active piles with heat pump loops inside, as you can see. And this solution generates 5 megawatt hours of heat by using 1 megawatt hour of electricity. So how do they work exactly? The Earth's temperature below 5 meters in the ground is constant at 16 degrees Celsius. So in winter, the cool water enters the piles in the underground. Then it naturally heats up to 16 degrees. It's being pumped up, and an electrical heating unit is being heated up to the desired temperature and then distributed through the building to heat it up. In summer, it works vice versa, and then the cool water is used to cool the building as an AC. And we carried out various analyses for energy consumption, heating and cooling loads, as well as daylight exposure to arrive at this 240, which is the most efficient number for our building. And after this analysis, we got a clear picture of for the room temperatures throughout the year. And this investment for us cost around like €500,000. Here are the heating and cooling loads. I will not go into depth with them. And I will talk about the calculations. As you can see in the bottom right corner, by using these energy piles together with the district heating, we can come to offer 58% discount for your final heating bill. For example, if you have a tenant that's occupying 500 square meters of space, they would pay per month 173 euros for the heating bill instead of 362 euros. So yes, here's our believed impact for it. Socially, we are trying to promote this solution because currently we are the only office building in Latvia that's using these energy piles. Environmentally, since we can have up to 72% of clean energy, green energy, we are reducing the district heating used and cutting our carbon footprint. An economic impact is that we pass these savings to our tenants. They have smaller bills, and over the next 5 years, we anticipate to have over 250,000 in these savings. And even further reductions are possible if the electricity price is lower. That's it. Thank you. Come visit.
Thank you, Lena. So thank you very much for the presentation. And yeah, I have a question for you as well. And I don't want to repeat myself, but about what's next question. But you have seen already implementing energy efficient and renewable energy technologies in the buildings. But thinking about the future buildings, do you see any new technologies which might be integrated as well besides geothermal? So the next finalist will be a Solarstone company, which is building solar photovoltaics integrated in the buildings.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe these technologies or any other technologies which further reduce the footprint.
I can't say for sure, but I do have a feeling it will be more technological because we already see now we are using another picture later in the last session, R8. They're AI technologies for optimizing the building processes, and that actually also is like optimizing these energy usages as well. So I think it might be something on the tech side, but I'm not sure.
The goal is definitely zero.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So thank you very much for that.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I already made a bit of a spoiler about our next finalist, which is Solarstone company from Estonia. And Solarstone has developed a click-on framing kit technology for building integrated photovoltaic installations. And we have a silver from Solarstone ready to make his pitch. So floor is yours and enjoy.
I want to start somewhere in a different place. I guess a lot of you in the audience are following what is happening at GOP 28, which paradoxically happens in a petrostate, which is a different agenda and story. But I would like to underline one statement that was made by Ann Mettler from Breakthrough Energy on energy resilience and innovation as a whole. We need, in order to do more, we have to do more with less. So that was her line. So that has to be our hallmark and can be our competitive advantage. So this very much sums up what we do at Solarstone. Yeah, Solarstone is, Silver has been said. We're a prop tech company out of Estonia, and our mission is to make top performance building integrated solar affordable for businesses and homeowners. So what is a building integrated solar product? When usually we think about solar and rooftop, then you would build a regular roof underneath and put solar on top of that. So by doing two things at once, you're able to have cost savings over the lifetime. regular solar versus building integrated solar can have double the benefits CO2 impact-wise. And at the same time, we do feel that sustainability is not all about hardware, it's also about digitalization. So we're working fervently with different tools, mainly with satellite and LiDAR technology to improve the customer engagement and customer journey. And just recently, we're sort of putting more emphasis on virtual power plants as well, so that our customers can actually become energy prosumers. A couple of milestones. Just this year, we launched a new factory in Estonia. So we are by now one of the biggest PRP makers in the world. The test on digital tools has been a success. So we do see a lot of conversion and sort of customer satisfaction improvements. And we've reached 1,000 solar roof being erected in Estonia. Very quickly, what does that 1,000 roofs actually then mean? We've been working on tile integrated solution for quite some time now. Solar carports offer additional opportunities where solar is actually not fit for existing building stock. And what was mentioned in the intro, the click-on, where we can actually convert the regular solar module into a functional roofing product. So that has the biggest scalability of opportunity. A little bit about the numbers. As you can see, in Europe and US alone, there are roughly 9 million re-roofing projects per year. And we know that roughly 15 to 20% of those people would like to go solar from day one. So that's a huge opportunity. And within the next 3 years, we're trying to tackle at least 1% of that market. That's about it. If it somehow resonates, then we're actually fundraising. And in the matchmaking area, we can hook up. Yep.
For a good presentation. I have the question regarding, let's say, also a bit macro picture of the solar industry. We have been seeing in the last few years, let's say, a roller coaster of the module prices, and also how does it affect the competitiveness of your product? So what's your view on that before taking over the world with your product?
Yeah, as a small player, I think we've been very vulnerable to sort of price hikes and then the price slumps simultaneously happening. 2024 is going to be a very tricky one. No one knows where the market's going to end up. We are currently at historical lows in terms of price per watt. But I think the product, the click-on, the full roof solution actually gives us a very big upper hand in delivering better products price-wise compared to the competitors who are very much confined to their design, whereas we can take advantage of any solar module that is out there and convert it into a functional roofing product.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, and good luck. Thank you.
I didn't quite feeling with it.
So, I hope you enjoyed all the pitches, and I'm looking forward towards the evening where we'll see which of the finalists will be winning the award.